Hey, Right Edition, welcome, happy day. Capitalist business wisdom coming at you right now. Empty pockets never held anyone back. Only an empty head can do that. Kind of sounds like a conservative versus a liberal. Just saying. Because Okami, his liberal candidates are in the race for their lives as we speak, with Republican candidates ultimately control of the Senate in the United States of America, and Obama's ability to do whatever he wants hinges on the outcome of this election. Anyone you know in the U.S., if you're there in Canada, wherever you are, tell them to vote right. Don't you know? So we can kind of fix all of the problems, because whatever happens in the U.S. kind of just goes everywhere in the world because they're that big of a machine. Women's reproductive rights are trumping the measure of the liberal movement with regards to their politicking these days. And Justin Trudeau says, we defend rights. Again, I'll bark like a fox if they actually do. My view of that is that they always take our rights away. But in any event, he's saying we defend rights. And if anybody ever comes up to me and says our rights have been taken away, we're going to fight and we're going to get it back to them. Gun owners, you all paid attention here, huh? I think what will happen eventually, because gun owners are going against the conservative government that's presently in power, probably the liberal government one day will say, vote for us and we'll do this and we promise, we promise. The conservatives did that also. Harper made a promise years ago, we'll fix this gun control mess. And of course he has adopted the liberal policy as his own. But Trudeau is making a lot of interesting noise. I don't believe it, but it's kind of cool to hear it at least. I mean, dysfunctional or not, kind of makes you feel like there's hope, you know, because if you have a right, we're going to defend it. And I will bark like that fox. 64-year-old Donald Seiko, he was waiting at a bus stop recently in Orlando, Florida, when an armed man, this is about rights, this guy had a right, the man I'm talking about, he carried a gun. He had the permits, he had passed all the tests, and he was sitting there, and a man with a knife approached him, and he says, give me your property, which of course was his wallet and his watch, and he started to stab him. This good guy, he pulled his gun out, defended his life and his property, boom, goodbye, bad guy. That's a right. Trudeau, you want to give us rights? I hope so. Here's a guy in someplace in Canada, I believe it's in Toronto, and an Indian came in and said, I want to buy a bunch of stuff here, and I want my discount because I'm an Indian. And this guy said, I've had enough of that. I'm not giving you a discount. Go away. Go somewhere else. But here's my treaty card, and I want $17 off the purchase of these replacement window screens for my cottage. And he said, I ain't gonna give that to you here. And so she laughed, but then she said, he treated me badly, he called me names. He says, I didn't, I just said she wasn't allowed to shop here. Be interesting to see what happens there. Canadians, let me end this with this. They've added 25 years to their lifespan in the last century, pushing the limits of aging to extraordinary heights. The average Canadian now apparently lives till he's 85. It's kind of good news. The bad news, we have both. The bad news is we got a lot of politicians that are going to hang around for an awful long time. Hey, y'all come back tomorrow and we'll have more for you from the right. See ya.